office or working from home, there's only one place to get the most local news. News Radio 950 WWJ.
The pandemic has not slowed down progress at the old Hudson site in downtown Detroit.
The first of 8 concrete pours at street level mark a milestone at the Hudson site. Project Director Mike Shefka is with Barton Mallow.
Tremendous amount of coordination that had to take place to get to this point. A lot of retail is going to be on this first level here. So with retail, there's a lot of coordination with mechanical, electrical, and structural.
And he says next week they'll be moving over to the tower side of the project to make that concrete pour. He says they had to deal with a few COVID cases.
Had 4. We did contact tracing, had a core crew that we shut down, and we caught back up on schedule with that.
Vicki Thomas, WWJ News Radio 950.